My name is Conrad Voigt. I'm economics and applied mathematics major, and I'm graduating in May 2025. So looking at things to do after graduation, I've always wanted to go to grad school and do a PhD eventually, but obviously it's pretty competitive to get into those programs. So my sophomore year, I started doing research projects, first with economics faculty, but then also finance and math faculty, kind of like independent things, or some were tied to courses, some were just independent studies. And then with having this kind of on your resume, I started applying in last fall. And then I applied to a bunch, over 10. And then you just kind of in the process, you figure out which ones are the best fit. I was really excited when I found out that I got accepted into a fully funded PhD program at UC Santa Barbara in statistics and financial mathematics.